Kigoke Moyo, God bless you. Jitako Mutugatiri Jeff, and karibuni sana katika this brief and short video clip. And first and foremost, ningependa kukuuliza tafadhali ogorodo subscribe thini wa Kigoke Moyo. Please rekeguri na gitio. Please utuike wa subscribe. Thank you muno to those of you that have subscribed. Tunakupenda sana. We mundu murathime nitugathite Ngai ni tondu gukorwo turi hamwe. Channel eno niturehaga maundu mega ma utarani, ma family, ma ciana, ma kila kindu. Kwoguo it's a good channel to subscribe to. The other thing that I need to tell you, kwenaga video turarehe kegie uhoro wa kumenyithia andu maugwati maria ungikorwo wina mo kana mangikunyita, ungikorwo ni ukorwo utari no menyo kana understanding hindi ria urathie airports. Na maundu mandu manyitete duta uri urendaga guitwo sadi no rahitukire kuria Vietnam. Na ni wega tumenyithie ciana citu iria travel goneta kuthie mawira ma kuruta house managers nanja kana all sort of jobs kana mundu uria wothe urathie visiting kana shukuru kana ki maundu megi airports. Kwoguo please watch, put your notification bell on tondu video ni guka shortly. Maybe in about 2 hours or so negukorwo ki drop thini wa channel eno. So please tafadhali tia subscription okorwo gutuona no kuona video no thini wa YouTube ya Kigoke Moyo Bawaithera. Please subscribe, nigumwikira link ya go subscribe YouTube ya Kigoke Moyo. Please, we are over 50,000 thini wa TikTok ya Kigoke Moyo. Please ogoro subscribe it. Subscribe ni free. Subscribe thini wa Kigoke Moyo Bawaithera YouTube channel. Nigetha utuike kirathimo. Ngai akurathime na gwike wega, na please watch that video. Niguguteithia we kana mundu wino misambaze. Now see you in that video.